my name is Joy from This is Pocket Learning. Today I'm going to teach you what secondary colors are and what pointillism is. So let's get started. Don't forget to put on your apron. So I have my apron on, and now I put it on my apron. Let's get started. So you're going to open the yellow and pour it in the first one, and take the blue and we're going to pour it in the second one. Then now we're going to take the red. So now we're done pouring the colors. I'm going to teach you what secondary colors are. Secondary colors are colors that you have to use the primary colors to mix so that secondary colors comes out. We're going to see what yellow and blue makes. So I have this palette here. I'm just going to mix it on this one in this palette. So you're going to take the yellow, then you're going to take the blue and mix it. When you're done mixing it, it's going to become green. Now I'm going to make other colors. Do you know what blue and red's going to make? Let's see. We're going to take the blue, the red, and put it on the palette. And then I have to mix them together. So now I made dark purple. We have one last color left. To make the last color, you need yellow and red. You're gonna take the yellow, put it on your palette, and now you're gonna put the red. Don't put too much red, because it's gonna become like brownish, kind of. So you're gonna mix them together. So now I made the orange. Now let's start doing the pointillism. So now that we have our secondary colors, green, purple, and orange, I'm gonna tell you what pointillism is. Pointillism is an artwork that is only made out of dots. So to make pointillism, a lot of people use Q-tips. To make a tree, I already draw the trunk with paint. So now I'm just gonna start making the leaves with the Q-tips. To put the Q-tips into a pile like this, you'll need an elastic and you'll need some Q-tips. You gather a pile of Q-tips, then you're gonna tie it all together. After you tie at the way top, you could start spreading it out. And there, I made a pile of Q-tips that I could use to do it. So now I'm gonna get a color that I want. I want to start with purple. So I'm going to take purple, dip my Q-tips in purple. And now you're going to use the purple that's on your Q-tips and put it wherever you want. I want green, so I'm going to dip it in the green. You tap it just like what you did with purple. So now I'm done with the red. I have one last color. If you want to make the sky, you could do the same thing with the one that you use for blue. Just put some more paint and so I'm done my artwork. So this is my artwork that I finished. So today we learned about pointillism using the Q-tips and like tapping it on the artboard. And we also learned about secondary colors. Do you know what secondary colors are? Do you still remember? Secondary colors are orange, purple, and green. So we used secondary colors and primary colors to make this artwork. I hope you had fun because I had so much fun. Thanks for watching. Bye!